Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace windshield wipers on a Ford Escape. First, gather your new wiper blades. You'll typically need a 28-inch blade for the driver's side and a 20-inch blade for the passenger's side. Also, grab a small towel or cloth to protect your windshield. Make sure your vehicle is parked securely on a level surface. This simple task can be done in about 15 minutes with just a few basic items. Now let's remove those old wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it clicks and stays upright. Look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button. Press this tab and slide the old blade straight off the J-hook. Once the blade is free, carefully lower the bare wiper arm back down onto your towel, ensuring it doesn't snap onto the glass. Installing the new blades is just as straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the J-hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's locked. Give the blade a gentle tug to ensure it's securely attached and won't come loose. Then, simply repeat this process for the other wiper arm and blade. With both new blades installed, carefully lower both wiper arms back onto your windshield. Now, it's time for a quick test. Use your vehicle's washer fluid to check the new blades. They should clear the windshield smoothly and quietly, without streaking or chattering. Remember, replacing your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months helps maintain excellent visibility and safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.